What if protecting your money mattered just as much as growing it? The surprising truth about Vanguard Vault in 2026 might change how you think about financial security. Vanguard Vault is designed as a secure digital financial hub. Its primary focus is safeguarding funds, while offering structured access to savings and long-term planning tools. From the moment you log in, security takes center stage. Multi-layer authentication, transaction verification, and real-time alerts are standard. You won't believe how much peace of mind this brings to users managing larger balances. Vanguard Vault emphasizes disciplined saving. Users can create multiple vaults for different goals, such as emergency funds, major purchases, or long-term reserves. This mental separation helps people stay on track and avoid dipping into funds impulsively. The platform also includes planning tools that project future balances based on current habits. These projections are conservative by design, which helps set realistic expectations rather than hype-driven growth. However, Vanguard Vault does not prioritize fast access to funds. Transfers can take longer than typical digital banks, which may frustrate users who need instant liquidity. In conclusion, Vanguard Vault in 2026 is still worth it for users who value security, discipline, and long-term thinking. If protecting your financial foundation is your priority, this platform stands out. Subscribe for more thoughtful finance reviews.